Compare yourself to who you were yesterday, not to who someone else is today. If you don't say what you think, then you kill your unborn self. When you have something to say, silence is a lie. Set your house in perfect order before you criticize the world. I don't tell people, "You're okay the way that you are." That's not the right story. The right story is, "You're way less than you could be." It is more difficult to rule yourself than to rule a city. And if you think tough men are dangerous, wait until you see what weak men are capable of. You might be winning, but you're not growing, and growing might be the most important form of winning. Work as hard as you possibly can on at least one thing and see what happens. If you learn a martial art, you learn to be dangerous, but simultaneously, you learn to control it. If you fulfill your obligations every day, you don't need to worry about the future. We have to rediscover the eternal values and then live them out. If you are not willing to be a fool, you can't become a master. Accept the terrible responsibility of life with eyes wide open. No one gets away with anything, ever, so take responsibility for your own life. Perhaps you are overvaluing what you don't have and undervaluing what you do. In order to be able to think, you have to risk being offensive. Music has an intrinsic meaning, which has always been mysterious to me. Don't lie about anything, ever. Lying leads to hell.